Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to send voice messages in iMessage. To send voice messages in iMessage, first of all, open up your message application on your iPhone, and once you do that, select a conversation where you want to send a voice message to, or start a new message by tapping on the pencil button at the top right and type in the name of the contact in the first tab. And once you do that, in the conversation box at the bottom, tap on the plus icon at the bottom left. Now you will be able to see several different options. Tap on audio. After recording your audio, tap on the arrow button pointing upwards at the bottom right to send the voice message. And that's it. Now you know how to send voice messages in iMessage. It's a quick and personal way to chat with your friends and family. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.